Okay, here we are. We just got off the 9th floor. Kana at 14 months. She's been practicing this for a few weeks now. Not that I trained her to, but one day I just realized that she could do it. Kana, where's home? Where's home? Can you go home? Kana, go home. Is that home? Go home, Kana. Hey, is that home? Is that home? Really? Go home, Kana. Go home. Go home, Kana. Hey, go home.
Yeah, go home. Where is the home? No coffee yet.
Is this home? Is this home? Really? Is this home? Is this home? Yes. 901. This we are home. Yay! Hands up, banzai. Banzai, Kana. No monkey. Banzai, Kana. Banzai. Okay, you like the monkey.